having clarity on your goals and what you're trying to achieve in your life is really important. So working out what your goals are, writing it down. I put it in my phone, just in my notes. Then I transfer it into reminders and then have it as individual steps so that I'm really clear on it. Then I put down the associated action steps for those goals. So I have action that I'm going to be taking, and then when I take that action, I either check it off, get rid of it because I've done it, or if it needs to go further, what I'm going to do next. So that way I'm staying in touch with it. And you don't have to do it every day, but at least looking at that once a week, so that way you stay in touch with it. And it's really important to acknowledge that you take action and that you are doing things and register that, because sometimes you feel that you're doing a lot of work and you're putting a lot of work in and nothing is happening, and then you achieve things or you tick things off and you get things done, but you don't acknowledge it, so you don't even feel that you're actually going anywhere. But you are. We're always moving, we're always changing, we're always doing something. It's just important to stay focused long enough to get the result that you're after.